So hello. I can't talk right now. I'm just trying to get this microphone to work. But anyway, I hope it's recording properly now. Y'all, look, if you are returning, welcome back. And if you are new here, welcome. Y'all, look, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It won't cost you a thing. And hey, hit the like button. Like I've said before, it does help with the circulation with YouTube, with your videos. And us content creators, we really appreciate the interaction that we receive. I know I do. But look, y'all, today I wanted to share with you this DIY. It's actually an install for a wine rack. And funny story, we purchased a refrigerator. The doors, it was just a smidge too tight for the refrigerator. The doors came down just above the refrigerator, so we decided to remove those doors, which we were okay with, but it left a hollow space and we wanted to make it make sense. So that's how we ended up coming up with the idea for a wine rack. Y'all, I purchased this wine rack at online at Wayfair. If you're interested, I can leave the link in the description. And yeah, so my husband, as you're gonna see, he ended up putting up one side of the rack. My boo-boo, he had to use all his might because it was already an awkward drill, and then we didn't have the drill bit, so he put all his muscles in that installation. And then he ended up purchasing these drill bits, and y'all, it was a breeze. I installed it so super quickly. So anyway, let y'all watch. If you have any questions for me, y'all know what to do, and I'll chime back in here again in a minute. But y'all, I love my little wine rack. I love it. Okay. Y'all watch. Enjoy.
Nobody else, God on my side. Remember those days, those L's, I couldn't sleep right. Now I get paid, vacay, I'm staying B-side. Breaking the blues over steak, I gotta eat right. You could be my peace sign. I don't need bad energy around me. I just need sun, you're so cloudy. I wake up good, you're so grouchy. Please get from around me. When the truth don't work, you start telling lies. Thought you were down to ride, you weren't down to ride. Caught switching, you were picking sides. Don't blink, caught slipping like a slip and slide. I was shooting dice till I got a nosebleed. Money on the floor, can't get cold feet. Took an L, should've put it in the offering. Lord, forgive me for my sins, don't know of me. Scary thoughts, I got scary thoughts. Lost control, now I'm taking charge. Breaking bills, friends breaking off. You could be the youngest, I'm the dawn. Kiss the ring, nah. In the scene like GOT. Stay awake, don't sleep. Like Jon Snow, get R.I.P. Remember those days, those L's, I couldn't sleep right. Now I get paid, vacay, I'm staying B-side. Breaking the blues over steak, I gotta eat right. You could be my peace sign. I don't need bad energy around me. I just need sun, you're so cloudy. I wake up good, you're so grouchy. Please get from around me. Just me, myself, and I'm my favorite threesome. The cars I drive by, I never lease them. They say if you can't beat them, then you join them. That's no option, I don't join, I always beat them. I was fake, you had to find me. Now I'm on beat, skating like I'm grinding. L hit me, said it's all about the timing. If you want the vision, get to spinning. My mama told me trust in God, it's never limits. Now I'm on the scoreboard, running up the digits. I put in work, you know I'm up to get it. Early bird gets the worm and the Yankee fitted. Like whoa, bags under my eyes and you know. Won't complain, I'm tired, I'm on go. For that grip, 10 toes till they swole. For that grip, 10 toes till they swole. Remember those days, those L's, I couldn't sleep right. Now I get paid, vacay, I'm staying B-side. Breaking the blues over steak, I gotta eat right. You could be my peace sign. I don't need bad energy around me. I just need sun, you're so cloudy. I wake up good, you're so grouchy. Please get from around me.
My baby did this side. He did this side here, and he did this, y'all, with just the without the drill bits. This one, when I just did it, it was super easy. But when he did it, oh, he had to put all his might into breaking through that cabinet. So yeah, this is how it turned out. And for a while, I wanted to do like a wine cabinet, but for years and years, I allowed the convictions of others to detour me from doing that. And there's nothing wrong with drinking some wine or having wine. I don't even drink wine, but I'm saying if I chose to, there's nothing wrong with it. And you know, I just allowed, like I said, the convictions of others to dictate my actions, and that's just something I'm not for anymore. But yeah. Hey, Miss Catherine, hold on 1 second. That's just not something that that I'm going to allow anymore. The only judge and jury I have is my Heavenly Father. So, and He knows my heart. He knows me better than I know myself. So, anyway, yes, this is how it turned out. And I can leave the link in the description if you're interested in getting these those racks. And if you have any questions for me, y'all know what to do. Just leave me a comment. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all, until next time.